Good job with the coffee today. Hey, welcome. Thank you for watching Nash Rockett. Subscribe, ring the bell, and that way you'll be notified every time we have new content. And you know what? It's against the law to miss new content. So, all right, here we go. Here is the lovely Casey. We have her edited and looking terrific. And I get ready to make a little ad for my photography. And look, oh my God, I left a silly bounce board in the shot. I do it all the time. I do it purposely. Anyway, show you what we're going to do. We have made a copy of our background layer. We're going to be working on layer number 14 right here, right? I am going to go to the lasso tool right here. My mouse is not functioning properly. A lasso tool allows you to freely lasso any selection, style, or type, or anything in a photograph that you want. It's just that easy. It starts the marching ants, and we're ready to go. I'm going to go to Content, go to Edit first, right there. And then I'm going to go down to Content Aware Fill right here. I'm going to click that. And by the time that I can take some coffee out of my Nash Rockett mug, see there? It just knocked it right out for me. Now, I will do another more explicit episode and tutorial on what all this green stuff is. But for now, this is going to solve my problem in the time frame that I'm working with. Okay, it's going to take a second to render. I'll have more coffee out of my Nash Rockett mug. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. Must have been a bug or something. Tasty though. All right, boom, look at that. It's gone. I'm going to hit Control Delete, and that takes away my selection. And it did a pretty good job of evening out or figuring out what I wanted. It didn't even it out very well, but I show you how I'm going to do that myself. I'm just going to grab a new layer over here, create a new layer, boom, and I'm going to grab me a color which is going to kind of blend this shadow and highlight line so I can kind of smooth out the tone on this gray, because I'm going to use it as an ad. Okay, I'm going to grab me a brush, and the brush, I'm going to put the brush at about 9%. I'm going to put it at 0 hardness, and I'm going to enlarge it a tiny little bit, well, a lot, and I'm just going to paint. And I'm going to paint that shadowed area away, and I'm going to start to blend all of that up here. Boom. Right? And then I might as well go over here just to make it all uniform. Actually, that's a little darker than I want over there in the corner. I'm going to grab me some new gray and just, boom, do that right there. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty good to me. And there it is. Photoshop fix in 90 seconds. Thank you for watching. See you next time on Nash Rockett.